To print a set of selected images, first select the desired images by clicking the checkbox in the bottom right corner of each panel. The total number of selected images will be displayed next to the Select/Deselect All Images button in the toolbar, which can be used to easily deselect or select all images in the study. Then, click the Print button in the Export section of the toolbar. In the window that opens, choose whether to include a configurable header, which by default contains relevant patient and exam information, as well as labels overlaid on the images. After selecting the desired layout for the printed page, a preview will be displayed for review. To download the file as a PDF, click on the download icon. To print it directly, click on the print icon. To send the selected images to a DICOM printer, check the DICOM print checkbox. Then, select the configured DICOM printer and the film size from the drop-down menus. After selecting the desired layout for the printed film, the images will be sent to the chosen DICOM printer.